keep forgetting to use our new mic. So we're going to try to use our new mic today. We are at Woodcraft Chattanooga for their free family day. We did it last year. And Mal, what'd you make last year, baby?
A bird feeder.
Yes, and we still use it, and it's adorable. And today, this time, I think that they're supposed to make a keepsake box. I'm not sure. And last year, I know it was just kind of walk up and do it. This year, we had to reserve a time, so our time is 2:00. And so we're here. We're gonna go in. Let's go. Well, let's go inside.
Yeah. And if you want, I gotta fix it. You're on picture mode. I gotta.
So, going into Woodcraft.
That line.
He picked a good color.
Yeah, I think so too.
I would have picked the same color. Do we know what kind of wood that was?
I don't remember.
I like a good red wood.
What do you want it to say?
So the first station was an engraving station, which was optional.
You want to say Malcolm?
Malcolm.
This machine was pretty cool.
Station 1, engraving.
You know, last year I remember them using handheld engravers, but this year they were using a laser engraver.
I wonder if too many kids burned themselves last year.
You want what? Malcolm.
That's my name.
Awesome. Okay, we got that.
Malcoln. Yep.
And then, do you want me to change the font? Do you want it to look like this? Do you like how that looks?
A laser made the
I
little
know.
thing. It's awesome to have
Spell your
woodcraft
name.
in this place.
Yes. Is a very fun visit. And always gets me inspired to do some sort of project. Last time I was there, I was very tempted to buy a knife kit, which I have made a couple before, but it's been a while, and I wouldn't mind doing another one.
And the second station was the assembly station.
Woodcraft is one of the largest woodworking supply stores around. They started in 1928 in, I believe it was Boston. We have not been there as much as I would have liked. I don't do as much woodworking as I did back in Titusville. But it's always a great experience when we go. They usually have some great deals. Right now they actually have a lathe on sale that tempts me. Malcolm, what do you think about Woodcraft?
It's very awesome. And you want to know something that Daddy forgot to say? He forgot to say that Woodcraft has many stores in America because...
That's right. I think it's about 70.
What?
Yeah.
Well, correction. Well, there are 70. I just knew there was a number amount of stores. But you just want to know that Woodcraft is my favorite thing. And you want to know I made 2 stuff in there. I made a birdhouse and a box.
And then doing the wood glue. Slotting it all together.
Would you recommend going for the do-it-yourself day?
Out without any teachers.
I think they're always going to have teachers, but they offer classes and stuff, which you can go to. This was, I guess, essentially a free class for kids.
I think I know what you mean. You mean like no parents.
No, just in general. Like, I'm just asking if you enjoyed your time making stuff there enough to recommend that other people go.
Yeah.
Station 3, slot cutting. That's pretty cool.
I think if they would have let him, he would have tried to have done it all himself.
I think he could have done it all.
Yeah.
I think he could have done the domino himself.
Yeah, that was a kid running that machine.
Whoa, super cool. What do you say? Thank you. Can we see the cut? Oh, yeah.
Station 4 was splines, which are the little decorative pieces on the corners.
And the things on the side are the same color as my leg.
Yeah. You did a good job picking your colors. I think They turned out fantastic.
And he picked the red ones to match. He could have picked any color, but he picked the red ones to match.
Add a little strength to the box.
Is that what that's for? I thought it was just decoration.
For decoration.
It's a little of both.
Going to number
What
5.
color do you want? Take out a handle there.
Station 5 was picking out a handle.
Okay, would you like it like this or like that?
What, baby?
I think it's all on fast glue.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you. Station 6, flush cutting.
Which was cutting off the edges of the decorative or support pieces.
Japanese pole saw. I need a new one.
Now, the other guy was actually letting the kids do it, but for some reason the guy we got was doing it all himself.
Sanding.
Station 7 was sanding down those added pieces and any other rough edges.
If you like this video, and make sure you do some Woodcraft, and I would like you to at least shop at the store one time. If you can't, well, just make another thing.
Yes. Station 8, waxing.
So get some wax like that.
There were Woodcraft employees and I think volunteers at each station to help. I say volunteers because this is a kid helping us with the waxing.
All right, Daddy. How's your input?
I really enjoy when we get to go and watch you make something or help you make something. I wish I could have been there for the box.
And you can get some more wax.
So before you go, there's a gentleman.
I love a good box.
Yeah.
And he seems to love a good box.
Yeah.
And this might be the nicest box in the house, and he made it.
Yeah, it was pretty fun.
I'm gonna steal it from him.
We finished making Malcolm's box. His special keepsake box. What does it say? Malcolm. It is currently in a brown bag covered in wax, and we are still sticky from the wax. There was nowhere to wash our hands, but we had a lot of fun. What do you think, baby? Good. Yeah, it was fun. It was quite an experience. What was your favorite part?
Making the box.
Well, the whole thing was making the box. Which part of making the box?
All of it.
All of it. All right. Well, until next time, subscribe, comment, like, and goodbye.
You never say that in the other video.
I know. I need to remember to do a call to action at the end. I need to remember to use the mic. I need to remember to do a lot of things.
You need to remember to do everything.
Everything. All right.
Love you.
Bye. Love you.
Hit subscribe if you want to watch the next video.